SAP TechEd is only with a few days around the corner, starting very soon. I hope you are as excited as I am. It's a virtual, online, and free event for you to upskill yourself all around SAP technology and products. Haven't registered yet? Register to SAP TechEd and go to the SAP TechEd session catalog to find the session that you're interested in. How about building and extending apps with ABAP RESTful application programming model? It's a session by an SAP developer advocate, Rich Heilman, and SAP champion, Andre Fischer, and I'm sure you might learn something new. Register and join the sessions, and most importantly, have fun. I hope to see you at SAP TechEd very soon.
You may be interested to know that the topic of the month for November in the community is SAP Fiori. So come and read the blog posts and learn about the latest release information and share your own experiences as well. And as always, feel free to ask questions in the community. Learn how the design and technology has been improved, enrich your mobile experiences with cards, accessibility improvements, and the redesign of frequently used core components, and more. The latest release blog post, which is linked to below, contains all the latest information you need about SAP Fiori for both Android and iOS. Lots of great detail in there, so if you like what you read, be sure to give thumbs up. And as well as that, I invite you to follow the tag SAP Fiori, which means you can stay up to date with anything posted about that and get further insights and updates in the future. You might also want to follow the tag SAP Community. Thanks for tuning in.
Hello everyone. My name is Moshe Nave and I'm an SAP Community Advocate. Today, I would like to talk to you about two blog posts interviews that are a part of the SAP Champion Spotlight Interviews series, which highlights topics such as emerging technologies and learning and provides insights from SAP leaders and SAP champions on turning ideas into innovative approaches that impact people, technology, and process. The first blog post interview is of Sergio Guerrero called Writing Code and Learning a New Language and How to Become Comfortable with the Uncomfortable, where Sergio answers questions about his career, his role in the SAP community, and shares best practices and tips. And the second interview is of Florian Hanginger called Lessons Learned from a Fly Fisherman, where Florian shares about his hobby, his role in the SAP community, best practices and tips, and coding-related topics. I invite you to interact with these SAP champions via the comments sections in these blog posts. Enjoy!